President Mnangagwa has ignited fresh debate over Zimbabwe's presidential term limits after delivering a speech strongly suggesting he intends to remain in power beyond 2028. The year his second and final term is supposed to end under the constitution. Signals desire to stay beyond 2028. Robot subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV addressing the ZANU-PF Women's League National Assembly at the party's headquarters in Harare on Friday. Mnangagwa avoided any mention of retirement or succession, instead doubling down on his administration's long-term national agenda. And of course, the theme of the session, Breaking Barriers, Future Women's Journey Towards Vision 2030, is a call to action and guides us all on the critical importance of diligently executing the work of the party and government, Mnangagwa said, pointedly aligning himself with goals that extend well beyond his current term. Observers noted that his repeat reference to 2030, a national development blueprint that concludes 2 years after his term ends, is part of a growing narrative positioning Mnangagwa as indispensable to its delivery. As the government, we stand committed to overcoming the challenges encountered by women and communities as a whole. To this end, we continue to prioritize the implementation of empowerment programs and projects for women, he said, adding, "This is a critical building block for the development and growth of our nation." Though the president made no direct mention of a third term, his rhetoric left little doubt that he sees himself leading the country through to the decade's end. We must develop and build it ourselves. No one else has that responsibility to build our country, he said. A comment many interpreted as an implicit rejection of any future leadership transition. Inside sources in the party say Mnangagwa has been rallying ZANU-PF structures to fully embrace the 2030 agenda as a long-term mission that justifies continuity in leadership. Mashoko aripo arikuona kwanza mtungamiri wenyika panguva ino arikuonekwa semunhu aiwa asina vision yekustepa down. Pina comment section medu zamafungiro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.